we would consider caravanning in the future. Definitely, that's one of my things on the bucket list is to
I would like to do it now.
Yeah, now. Pack the kids up and just head off for a couple months and go down the East Coast and all around Australia. We started off with a tent, then it started off with a camper trailer, and then we upgraded to a caravan, and now we've got ourselves a brand new caravan.
Fit the purposes we want it for. It's got bunks, we've got the off-road chassis so we can go off-road if we want to. We're not limited to the tarmac, and obviously
it's obviously essential to have air conditioning, TV, but also because we'll be travelling a lot, but I'll also need to be working, that we've got the mobile booster, so that's an important little addition. So I picked the colour scheme. I just wanted something that was neutral, that wouldn't date too quickly, and something that was quite calming. So now that we've seen it all together today, which is the first time, it's come up exactly how I wanted it.
And walking through it, it's like you're in a little apartment. We flew over here one day and did all our selections and all our final little. Yeah, it's been easy, very easy.
Yeah, easy. Everyone's so professional. Nothing's too hard. Easy to get along with. You can ask a million questions and nothing is too hard. It's been I couldn't talk more highly of the experience of dealing with Elite.
And it's a great product at the end as well.
Yeah, it's definitely the high end, isn't it? So it's luxury at its best.